Hello, and welcome to our calm corner of the internet. I'm so glad you're here. This week, a headline crossed my feed that made me sit up. Canva just made AI website building free for everyone. And my first thought was wait, free? For someone who's never touched code? Yes, free. Let me explain what actually happened. Canva just rolled out something called Code 2.0, and here's the part that matters to us. It's not locked behind a paid plan anymore. Free accounts get it too. What does it do? You type what you want in plain English. I want a simple website for my shop with a page for products and a way for people to contact me. And Canva builds it, a real working site. Then you edit it visually, the same way you'd edit a Canva slide. Drag, click, done. No code, no developer, no $3,000 invoice. Now, I know some of you felt a flicker of anxiety reading that headline. Another tool, another thing I'm behind on. I want to name that and then set it down. You are not behind. This tool didn't exist last month. Nobody has years of experience with it. We are all beginners here together right now. Let me show you the small business angle because this is the part I actually care about. If you run a shop, a salon, a service, any small business, a simple website used to mean hiring someone or wrestling with a template for a weekend. Now, you can describe your business in a sentence and have a working page in the time it takes to make tea. Not a replacement for a full e commerce site if you're doing serious volume, but for a portfolio, a booking page, a simple here's who I am and how to reach me. This closes that gap completely. Here's your homework if you want it 10 minutes. Open Canva, free account is fine. Find the new website tool. Type one honest sentence about your business. Watch what comes back. You don't have to publish anything, just look. Let yourself be a little amazed. That's the whole method we use on this channel. Small, real experiments. No pressure to master anything. If you'd like a gentle place to keep learning tools like this one, tools that actually help without the jargon, I made a free AI starter kit. 5 tools, 5 real 10-minute tasks, zero tech background required. It's at mawahibkerala.com. Link in the description. You're not behind. You're right on time. I'll see you next week.